Observers around the world speak highly of the achievements made by the 15th BRICS Summit, which concluded Thursday in Johannesburg, South Africa. BRICS leaders have agreed to invite 6 countries, namely Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates to join the group. Their membership will take effect on January 1st, 2024. The decision has been widely welcomed.
We think this is huge. This is massive. It was always significant and strong and a powerful voice for the global south. It has now reached another level.
Well, I think it's exciting. I think it's important that BRICS expands. Change has to happen in order for prosperity to reach poorer nations, and ease of trade between countries is very important.
Experts say BRICS has been committed to promoting the inclusive development of global south countries, and its efforts have been applauded.
BRICS is the hope of the future. Imagine this world without BRICS. What would the countries of the south do? We don't have any central gravitational force that pulls and brings us all together as a united, powerful force. And BRICS is that center of gravity today for the global south. So everyone wants to gravitate and be part of BRICS because of what we stand for and the fact that we are a powerful grouping that no one can ignore.
This will be a message of peace, it will be a message of harmony, and it will be a message of development. And this is a message which is going to go out all over the world, and they will be playing a role in determining the rules of the road as the world moves forward.
I think the idea of BRICS gives these countries a new opportunity to work together to overcome their development challenges. It provides them with a market, it provides them with resources, it provides them with inspiration.
Experts believe that the fruitful outcomes yielded at the 15th BRICS Summit have also boosted worldwide confidence in the bloc's future.
We look forward to new and bigger things, to elevating the level of cooperation amongst the BRICS countries, including the new family members that we've now admitted. The future looks bright. This has been the most significant and historic BRICS Summit.
BRICS is about partnership, it's about cooperation, it's about working together. And I think this gives us an opportunity to strengthen the interaction between Africa and BRICS.
That's what you'll see coming out of this conference, a very extensive discussion of how the world should look in order to create development for all the countries and create a more egalitarian, equal, fair, and just world system.